protein shake for weight loss at home, your ultimate guide. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to Health News. Today, we've got an exciting topic that's been making waves in the world of weight loss: protein shake for weight loss at home. If you've been struggling to shed those extra pounds and wondering how a simple protein shake can make a big difference, you're in for a treat. But before we dive into the secrets of crafting the perfect protein shake for weight loss right in your own kitchen, let me ask you this: are you tired of diets that leave you feeling hungry and unsatisfied? Do you want to lose weight while still enjoying delicious and nutritious shakes? If so, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be sharing not just one, but 3 fantastic protein shake recipes that are not only packed with essential nutrients but also incredibly tasty. Plus, I'll give you some pro tips on how to make these shakes a part of your daily routine for maximum weight loss results. 1. Peanut Butter Protein Shake. This homemade protein shake is nutty, creamy, and delicious. It contains no added sugar and is high in fiber and low in fat. Blend together 1 cup of yogurt, half a cup almond milk, 1 to 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and 15 to 20 green grapes. Refrigerate and enjoy chilled. 2. Chocolate and Banana Protein Shake. Believe it or not, chocolate and bananas make for a wonderful combination. Not only do they make your protein shake super healthy, but they also add great taste. For this homemade protein shake, add 10 almonds, half a cup yogurt, 3/4 cup milk, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 cup cooked quinoa, 1 banana cut into chunks and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder in a blender, and blend away your delicious drink. Quinoa contains all the essential amino acids and is a great source of plant-based complete protein. You can even use amaranth seeds instead of quinoa. 3. Berry Protein Shake. All berries act as powerful antioxidants, and they are a great source of fiber that helps you lose weight. You can use strawberries, Cape gooseberries, raspberry, or blackberries, jamon, in your smoothie. To make this sweet energy booster, use 7 to 10 berries, half a cup whipped cottage cheese, 1/4 cup water, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, and some honey if you like. For a vegan protein shake. This one's for all those who are trying to avoid milk and dairy products but are looking for a high protein shake for weight loss. Blend 3/4 cup of silken tofu, 1 cup of almond or cashew milk, 1 banana, 1/4 cup cooked oats, 1 teaspoon honey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence for flavor. Tofu and nut milk give you a protein punch, and oats add the necessary fiber to your weight loss drink. 5. Raw Egg Protein Shake. If you're really into muscle building along with weight loss, try this homemade protein shake with raw eggs. But make sure you get good quality eggs. Mix 1 raw egg with yolk, half an avocado, half a cup milk. You can even use coconut milk, 1 banana, 1 teaspoon honey, and 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Place all the ingredients in a blender. Blend well and serve. 6. Spinach Flax Protein Shake. For this green homemade protein shake suggested by dietitian Harjeet Kaur from Amandeep Hospital, you can combine 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, or any kind, spinach leaves, half a cup mango chunks, half a cup pineapple bits, 1/2 a banana, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, and blend until smooth. Pour into a glass and serve immediately. When to have protein shakes? The best time to gulp down this power booster is after a workout, because that's when your body needs instant nutrition for muscle recovery and growth. But you must consume it within 30 to 45 minutes of your workout. This window is very crucial because protein uptake is faster immediately after a workout. You can also have it half an hour before your workout to energize yourself and boost your stamina. So, there you have it, 3 incredible protein shake recipes that will supercharge your weight loss journey. But remember, it's not just about the shakes, it's about making healthy choices in your overall diet and staying active. If you found this video helpful and want more fitness and nutrition tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. Your support motivates us to create more content to help you achieve your fitness goals. Thanks for joining us today on Health News. Until next time, stay healthy, stay fit, and keep shaking your way to success.